In this video, I will show you how you can transfer ownership of your Google business profile. To do this, just go and open up Google and click on the search bar, and from there, go and search for My Business. Now from the My Business section, you may have the AI overview. Just scroll down a bit more until you see the profiles that you manage. Now in order to see those, you will need to be signed into the correct Google account. So if you're not, just go and sign in to the account that is connected to your Google business profile. Once that's the case, go and select the account you want to transfer ownership for. For example, I'll click on View Profile on this one. And then what you want to do is click on the three dots right here, and then click Business Profile Settings. Now from there, you want to click Remove Business Profile, and then here click Stop Managing this profile. Now here we're going to click on Add, which allows you to add or remove people's access. So first you need to add a new person, which you can do by entering their email address. And then from there, you want to go and make them the owner so that they can edit, add people, and transfer ownership of the business profile. So now they will become the owner, and then click Invite, and they can see it set as pending. So the person will then receive an email like this that says you have received an invitation. Now they just have to click Accept, and then click Accept. Then after doing that, you will then be able to refresh the Google business page right here. And if you now click Remove Business Profile, and then click Stop Managing this profile, you will then see that now it has two owners, but you are still the primary owner. So now what you want to do is click on yourself. So now what you want to do is click on the new person, and then here it says access, go and click on the edit icon and make them the primary owner, click save, and then make this person the primary owner, click OK. Now as you can see, they need to be managing, they do need to be managing this business for more than 7 days. So after 7 days, you can make them the primary owner, and they can then do the same thing. So go to the three dots, go to Business Profile Settings, and then once they click Remove Business Profile and stop, and then once they click People and Access right here, they can then remove you as the owner after they are made the primary owner. So you will need to wait 7 days for this. So now you know how to transfer primary ownership of a Google business profile. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.